So, guys, this is the bus I took for the Chennai trip, and these are some pictures that you're gonna see, and the videos that are going to be on the way. So, it's the morning time, and there were like enormous villages, trees, and most of them were coconut trees, and this was a beautiful highway view. And I took this seat because I wanted to capture this kind of view, and also I was looking for the the front view actually, which I can get. And I appreciate this driver. He was working very hard and also very focused. And because I was sitting on the first seat on the left side, it was very what you call, like, it was feeling very uncomfortable if you keep watching on the like outer window. But when I watched this side, like the front view, that was the time, like, I felt good, at least like relaxed. And these are some scene that you're going to see, and some beautiful, bro, this was awesome view when I was watching this. Enjoy this coconut trees view and sunrise happening. It's around 8 in the morning, 7 to 8 in the morning, and see this beautiful view. And me myself, like, for first time in my life, I'm traveling to southern part of India. It's the I don't know if it is called that or not, but it's like coconut capital of India, bro. Everywhere I saw, like,
So guys,
there were like coconut trees,
on the board
and
with Pallu Palli. So
there's gonna be some places where you're gonna see those trees, bro.
with Pallu Palli
They are like,
this place.
see this
I was
view.
thinking in my mind like how to pronounce it.
All
Now I
of these
understood how
trees
this text works.
are
And this is the
coconut
total rate
trees,
of
man.
this
And
place.
I was
So
amazed,
it's
man,
officially
how
we have to
they
be
are
around
like
3 hours journey. 4 hours.
planting this much
So 7
coconut. But then I
in the morning.
realized that this is the only, like, this is their main crop. Like in northern part of India where I am from, we have like other crops, some like maize, corn, what do you call that, some millets, all of these things. So and wheat. But here I think they
I don't know,
have
man, how many coconut trees I just
these
saw. But I
coconuts.
couldn't
And
record.
I'm doing this
Here we are
voiceover. You
officially
might be
in
hearing
the
like the
land of
horn
coconuts, I
of
guess.
the bus.
So there are so many coconut trees. I've never
Because
seen
I'm
that much coconut
recording
trees in
this
my life.
voiceover in the bus, I wanted to
There was that area, like you can see, bro.
make this video go onto the
trees.
channel,
It's a
and
full valley
maybe
of
people
coconuts trees,
enjoy
bro.
it.
Up until that
This
mountain
is
mountain
my
range, I can see,
first
bro. It's
time
all coconut
traveling,
trees.
so what I'm thinking to explore here is like
It's
the
huge, man.
food, then
We are in
the
Kingilikuppam.
historical places, and some kind of places like which I will be remembering forever. I don't know they are going to be, but it's a journey. So
See what I
it's
was
an
talking, man. Check this.
unknown journey, not planned. And it's like,
Now
when
I
I
wonder why they
felt I should go,
make
then
coconut
I
chutney and
left.
serve it.
And I would
Bro.
like to
And,
like say
you see those
that
valleys over there? How this bus
it's
is going?
not advised
You understand?
for all of you to do this kind of journey. But when you
Bro, it's
feel
coconut
like you
everywhere.
can survive, because I have experience of living
Damn it. There are
alone
full valleys of
from,
coconut here, bro.
I
I'll
mean,
definitely show
since
you coconut
childhood.
juice.
So
How it
I
looks. It's called
don't
coconut
like
water actually. Not
feel
juice.
that
But yeah, I think I'm gonna
awkwardness
drink a lot of it
in
now.
traveling or visiting to different places. But you should be careful also while traveling alone. Be very cautious. Have things prepared ready, and don't fall into traps, or don't talk to random people for whom. I don't try to share information. It's not like every person is bad, but it could be that
I think it's
someone
morning
is
time,
bad and
guys.
you
So
don't know
people
the
are
intentions.
going to
So
their
I'm
work.
gonna
Some are going
advise you this for
to
people who are watching this.
school. Children are
And
going to school, and then
rest
the
is
market is like
going to be
opening up.
the
People drinking tea.
video,
All
man.
of these
Enjoy the views.
scenarios.
All I wanted to
It's
say is
like
this only. And I don't know how this is going to work.
view
It's my
through
first
the
time
market
doing the
in the
voiceover,
morning.
and
Wow, this view, oh bro, this was very beautiful view. Man, look at the mountains and these, like the coconut fields, bro. I wonder, man. And one more thing I wanted to talk about, like this area, because it was between Chennai, Bangalore, and Chennai. So, bro, one thing is the infrastructure for the road was, it's amazing, bro. The roads are like well maintained. There were not what you call them, like in highways, in like these big roads which are highways. You have like the, I don't know what to call them. Like the road is broken, right? So, or it's bumpy due to heavy vehicles being driving on it. So it was not like that. The road is very well maintained. When I came from Pune to Bangalore, the road was bumpy, not bad, like not like worn out or something, but it was bumpy. I mean, it was not all equal. But this road, bro, this was like cheese, man, and the bus was going like crazy, bro. In the side view, from this view, bro, it was feeling like I was always in like continuous rush, man. Adrenaline was always in there. I don't know, I haven't slept from last night because I had some work yesterday, and then I went try to sleep, and I had to keep the alarm because it was also sudden trip, and bro, but still I wanted to sleep in the bus, although like it's a sleeper bus. But
So guys, we have reached here. This is our first stop
speed,
since we arrived from Bangalore at
and
5 in the morning. So it's around 8 now, and we have stopped here for a little tea break, as you can see. So let's see what kind of, but bro, in the whole road we just had a scenic view of beautiful villages and coconut trees, man. Lot of coconut trees. So let's see how this is going to be, and we will update you in this. This is the tea that I have, and I also got some snacks for like the travel. And this is the view here. You can see the view around.
More of it. And sorry for the people, bro. I know I promised that I will be posting the vlogs. They are still unedited.